Hello beautiful people. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem. It will be going to become a building block for your next dynamic problem or like memorization and tabulation type of problem. So this is a basic problem, but in this problem we will learn like many concepts. Okay. So like what is it is saying that um in problem it says that you are climbing a stair. It take n step to reach the top. Okay, so there are some stair. Okay, and come to the my notebook. So there are some stair. Okay, so there are you need n step to go at the top. Okay, this is my stair. And yeah, so suppose there is one person and he is standing here and he want to move here. So this is a suppose this is n step. So he can climb at top with n step. Okay. Now each time you can either climb by one step or two step. In how many distant way can you climb the top? Okay. Now let's build the intuition behind this problem. How to solve? Look, suppose you are at the ground at the zero position. Okay. So here you have two choice. Either you can climb to one step or you can climb to two step. So you have two possibility. Okay. And now this will be a starting. Now there will be my ending. Okay, so like when you are at the top, suppose before up here, if you are standing here. Okay, so here what will be like you can either take one step, and when you will take two steps you will go beyond your end. So here there is possibility that you can only take only one step. Okay, so let's build a intuition. Like suppose a person is at ith step. Okay, a person is at ith step. Okay, so he has two choice. He can take one step or he can take two step. Okay, if he will take one step, so what will be the his destination will be I minus 1, because he already climbed with one step. Suppose a person is here, so this is I, he will climb on this one. So now he is at ith minus 1, because there is suppose there is I step is remaining and he climb one step. It means one I minus one step is remaining to climb. Okay, now the person have a choice, like he can take two step also from middle. So if he is taking two step, so he may take, so remaining step is remaining to climb is I minus 2. Okay, so let's visualize in a better way using the binary tree. Okay, using graph. So suppose a person is want to climb n step. Okay, so we can go through the like bottom down approach, top bottom approach, or bottom up approach. Both way we will going to get the same answer. Okay, like number of different way we will not going to change. So suppose he is at zero position. Okay, now he suppose take one step. If he take one step, so he will be at what position? He will be at step one position. If he will take two step, so he will be at second position. Now from here he have also choice for, he can take one step or he can take two step. Okay, so if he is again taking one step, so he will be reached to two step. Now if he is taking two step again, so now he is already at first step. So like first step, so he is going to move at third step. So similarly each point, like we are going to repeating our task. Okay, so like again he will become at 3 step, and again from the 2 he will be reached at the fourth step. From 3 if he move one step, he will be going to reach at 4 step, and from here if he move 2 step, he is going to move at 5th step. So if he's going to keep moving, so like at the like suppose there will be a n minus 1 step in some places, so it will become to n minus 1 step. So at n minus 1 step, okay, at, at n minus 1 step, this is a boundary condition. So if he cannot take 2 step. Okay, if he is going to take 2 steps, so it will be going to reach n plus 1. So that is invalid. We cannot take this one. Okay, so he has only like valid step from here. This only he need to take only one step. Then while he is going to reach at his destination. So you can see, like using recursion, we can solve this problem. Okay, there are catch, but let's try to solve with the recursion. Okay, so let's write code for this. So climb stair, and we directly write a return function, return count ways to climb. Okay, and then we are passing our n, and let's build our function. So public static, it's in returning an integer value, so int count ways. Then we are passing our value integer n. Okay, so first we need to take a base condition. So when he is at n minus 1 position, so they have only a step is like only one step remaining to climb. Okay, and there is also like possibility that he has reached at n step. So what will be the possibility? There is one possibility that stay there itself. Okay, if you are at top and someone asks what is the way to be at the top, don't move, stay there. So this will be also count as a one way. Okay, so we can handle that case using the if condition. If n equal to 0, we are going to simply return one step, one play. If n equal to suppose 1, then we are going to return also one way. Okay, otherwise what we are going to do, return what? Here we will call recursive, make a recursive call. So count way of n minus 1, same thing like we have done. Like if we are doing like bottom up approach, so suppose here it will be n. Okay, so here it will be n, that this step he already table 1, so here remaining step is n minus 1. Okay, here remaining step is n minus 2. So now again you can consider as a n minus 1 as a sub problem. Now from here he can go to 1 step and he can go to 2 step. So from here he can get to 1 step. So what will be possibility? It will be remaining step is n minus 2. If he take 2 step from the n minus 1, so remaining step is n minus 3. So this way now again we will solve this problem. So in recursion simply we are going to call a recursion. Then what answer this returning, we are again calling for the n minus 2. So count ways of n minus 2. Now this is going to return my answer. So let's try to submit. Here I have like given 5 and 3. Now let's run. Yeah, so we are getting correct answer. But when we will submit, so we will get TLE. Why? Let's try to understand this promo, why we are getting that. Yeah. So time limit exceeded. Okay. Why? Like suppose, let's visualize this one again. It is creating a binary tree. Like suppose, if I have n, so n is traveling and going to n minus 1. Okay. We assuming that in left we are taking one step, and right we are taking two steps. Okay, so here it will be n minus 2. Now from here he can also take one step, so n minus 2, 2 position he will reach. Now from here if he will take two steps, so it will be n minus 3 step. Now again he will try, so n minus 3 here it will be, so n minus 3, and from here he can go to n minus 4. Similar way he can take one step, so n minus 4, and then n minus 6. Same way in this way also. So you are saying that here also n minus 3 is also calculating, here also n minus 3 is also calculating. If he take from here one step, so here it will be also n minus 3. So we are like repeating, like we already, suppose in this step we have calculated the n minus 3. So then why again we are going and calculating this one? So this is not a way, like when we are going to solve recursion, like internally it is managed by a step. So a lot of memory is utilizing, and we are unnecessary things, unnecessary count we are doing. Okay, if you want to visualize again, so like I have written a code, you can assume like this. So let's come to here. Yeah. So here you can see I have written using the recursion. So here same way actually I have done. Okay, and then I am trying to print the number of operation, how many times like my this function is called count way. So if you will try to run, so you will see, understand this one. Okay, let's delete for now. Okay, and yeah, so for 2, like number of operation is doing, for 0 doing 1, and for 2, so this one. Now suppose we are giving 8. Okay, and then we will run, no? So you see the operation 67. Now again give let's big number like 40. It will take quite a little time. Yeah, so you see this huge number operation is like taking. Now again you will take much bigger number, like we can take 46. So what will happen? Here it will be overflow by, like it will be more than my integer maximum value. So here you can check. Yeah, it's taking some time because it's making so many of recursive call. Yeah, so it is, oh, look here, number of different way. It's coming in a negative because it is like past the maximum, the like integer, like here is the maximum value we are printing. Okay, so it is passing the integer value. So that's why this is the not a correct way to implement this one. So how we can do? Let's build the intuition. So like, is there any other way that we can solve it more effectively? So yeah, we can solve. Like what we will going to do, that we are going to store our answer in some array. Okay, and first we will check if my answer is present, then take from answer. Okay, like we will create a n plus 1 array. Why n plus 1 array? Because from 0 there is no any way, so actually we are taking n plus 1 because in last array we are going to store our final answer. Okay, so in last what we are going to store, like here we are going to 0 1 2 3 up to n, and in last we are in n plus 1 we are going to store sum of these two. Okay, sum of these two n minus 1 plus n, and then we are going to store this one. So we are returning this one. So let's try to implement here and let's see what will be happen. So this now we can delete this function, no need to use the recursively. We can solve it by recursive. So first we will build one array int type of let's call answer book. Okay, answer book equal to new int of n plus 1. Now we have to handle like base condition. So answer book of 0, what is going to having, it's having my 1, and answer book of 1 is also going to store how much, it's going to store 1. Now we have already handled 0 and 1 index, so actually we will start our for loop from where we start our for loop for int I is equal to 2, I less than equal to n, because n is our length is n plus 1. So okay, so we are considering n also, and then I plus plus. Now what we will do, our answer book of I, like intermediate answer of I, will be equal to how much, answer book of I minus 1, I answer book of I minus 1 plus answer book of I minus 2. Okay, and then at last what we are going to return, we are going to return answer book of n. Okay, let's try to run this. So we are getting wrong answer. 1 minute. So okay, so here I have done a mistake. Here it should be minus 2. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, so it is accepted. Now let's try to submit this. Yeah, so it is submitted successfully. Yeah, now we can further improve this. We no need to use this what kind array also, like right now here my time complexity is order of n, as well as space complexity is also we go of n. Okay, but this problem is asked in a Google, Facebook, Microsoft, so in all like my companies have asked this kind of problem. So we can also do further improvement. Why I need to like take this array? Okay, try to visualize. Let visualize how we will further space optimize it. Okay, now come to here. Like suppose I have n step. Okay, and I am like suppose starting from 0 and I am going till up to n. Okay, so from 0 1 2 3 up to n I am going. Now here you will understand, I am just doing operation using only one block here, one block here, and one block here. Okay, what we are doing, like suppose this is my current answer, this is my previous answer, and this is a previous answer. Okay, this is PP answer, this is P answer, and this is current answer. Okay, now try to visualize. Current answer is equal to previous answer plus previous answer. So like we need only this three bullets. So okay, now let's assume now again I am shifting this one. Okay, now I am shifting this to here. So now my previous of previous become here, previous of previous answer here. Now previous answer is here, and my current answer is here. So now what is going to happen that, so like we are shifting, like whatever is present in this we are storing in here, and whatever present here it's going to add here. So like simply what we are going to do, so like we can do that previous of previous we can store as temp. Temp is equal to how much? Previous of previous, because we want to output this value to my previous. Okay, so now previous of previous answer will be equal to previous answer. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, now previous of answer will be equal to current answer, and current answer will be again equal to previous answer plus previous of previous answer. So using this one, I can still solve this problem without using the extra space. Okay, let's try to do that one. So here I'm going to reduce the space further. So here I need to take how many uh, variable? One is int temp. Let's initialize with 0. Then int previous of previous answer equal to also, we have the store, so it will be 1. Now int again previous, like previous answer will be also having 1 only, and now we can initialize uh, current uh, current answer int current answer is equal to how much? Previous of previous answer plus previous answer. Okay, so these things we are going to do till n step. So simply we are going to copy this one and then we will apply here. So now no need to initialize this current answer again. Okay, so after doing the operation, okay, let's um, initialize it 0 here. We are doing the first answer, then previous answer is equal to, I am updating with the previous answer, and what we can do again, previous answer is equal to current answer. Okay, at the last what we are going to answer, return current answer. So now let's test it. Yeah, that is also right. Okay, here it should be let's do at um, 1. We should initialize with 1. If there will be 0, so we are not going inside. Okay, what we can do now, we can start from 0 to less than n, because we are going to table only once now. So if there will be 0 also, we can cover this one. So let's try again. Okay, so let's 3, but we are getting 13. Okay. So it should be run at n time. So yeah. So without using any extra, this is just we are using three variable, uh, four variable. We are able to solve this problem. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, yeah. We no need this temp variable also. Yeah, because we know we are not caring about the last answer. So why I should store and again use that one. So no need of that temp variable also. Yeah. So thank you so much. If you like this video, so please subscribe and share and try this problem. I will give attach this problem link in my description box, and please comment when you have solved this problem. So thank you a lot. Bye. See you with new problem.